Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to flash the stock ROM on Samsung Galaxy A6. Okay, first we need to check what is the current version of our software, because when it comes to Samsung devices, we need to remember about one thing. The thing is that we can flash the same version of the stock ROM that we currently have, or every version that is above. It's impossible to flash older version than our current. To check the software version, open up the settings, scroll all the way down, go to About Phone. When it comes to the exact model number, you can take a look on it right now. It's SMA600FN. Then go to Software Information, and in here we have our build number, and that's our software version. In my case, it's A600FN XXU9CVB1. Actually, in my case, that's the latest version of the software, so I can only flash the same version once again. You can also check the version number, the software version, in recovery mode, because let's say that your device doesn't turn on. For example, it's looped on the loading screen, you can only see the Samsung logo. Don't worry, you can check the software version in recovery mode. In my case, I'll have to power off the device. Okay. And to enter recovery mode, we gotta hold power key and volume up button until you see the Samsung logo. When it appears, release the power key, but keep holding volume up. So first hold both buttons, now release the power key, but keep holding volume up. Just like that, we are in recovery mode, and here we also have our software version. Okay, once we know it, we can power off the device, select power off, and confirm by clicking the power button. Now visit our page, HardReset.Info, and go to download section. In here you gotta type Samsung drivers, then click on search, select Samsung drivers, and hit the download button. Then go back, type Odin, download the latest version, 3.14.4, and also hit the download button. Then open up a new tab, type SMA600FN firmware, scroll down a little. I highly recommend to use this page, samfw.com, click on that, scroll down a little, we have our phone as you can see, and in here type your country or the CSC code. I have the Polish version, so let's type Poland. Now scroll down, and in here we have all software versions possible. As you could remember, I had this latest version, so I'm about to flash it once again. Click on that, scroll down, and we have 3 download links. It's up to you which one you'll pick. Let's say that I'll pick the one in the middle. Wait until it loads. And then hit the download button. In my case, everything is already downloaded, so let's go straight to the downloads folder. Also, remember that if you're flashing the stock ROM, the phone will perform the factory reset. Our phone will be fully cleaned. We'll have a clean system, almost like a brand new device. So if you have some data that you want to back up, I highly recommend to do it before the whole process. Okay, now we have our Samsung drivers, our Odin app, and our software. We gotta extract those 3 files. You can use WinRAR, right-click, WinRAR, if you have it, of course, and click on Extract to. If you don't have it, you can click on Extract All and Extract, and it will also fully work. All 3 files, Samsung drivers, Odin, and the software. Then open up the folder with the Samsung drivers, and you gotta install them. So double-click. In my case, it's already installed, so I'm not going to install it once again. But in your case, if you're installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation, so thanks to that, everything will work properly. The whole installation process is really easy. All you need to do is to click on Next, 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 and then wait until it's finished. It should take up to 5 minutes. Okay, now go back to Downloads, and now open up the Odin folder and launch the program. Double-click, click on OK. We have our app. Now on our phone, we gotta enter download mode. To do it, our device needs to be turned off. And to enter download mode, we gotta hold both volume keys at the same time. And while we are holding those buttons, we gotta insert the cable to our phone. And when you insert the cable, when you plug the cable, don't release the volume keys. Wait until you see a menu. So volume up and volume down, insert the cable and keep holding. Just like that, we have the menu and click on volume up and we are in download mode. Now, as you take a look in Odin app, we can see that our phone has been added. It's as those numbers, and it is really important that you need to see those numbers, because if you don't see them, it means that our phone isn't connected properly, the app doesn't see it, and it may not work. So that is why it's good to check, do you see those numbers. I highly recommend to use the original USB cable. If you don't have the original one, of course you can use a different good quality USB cable. Now, click on BL, go to downloads, open up the folder with the software. We have clicked the BL button, so we gotta select BL file, double click. It has loaded. Now click on AP, select the AP file. This one is going to load a little bit longer because that's the biggest file that we have. So we gotta wait a little bit longer. Okay, now click on CP, select the CP file, and now click on CSC, and select CSC OMC. Once again, I'll repeat that the phone will perform the factory reset, so have that in mind. And now, if everything is loaded, click on Start. It has started right in here. We have the bar down below. It's slowly fulfilling. When it goes to the opposite edge, the phone will restart. It's going to take a little bit before it turns on, but then we will have the setup process. So now we gotta keep waiting. Of course, during the whole installation, you cannot unplug the cable because it will stop the process. Okay, as you can see, the phone has turned on. We can also unplug the cable. We won't be needing it anymore. And now let me go through the setup process real quick. I'll now show you that everything fully works. So select your language, click on that arrow, select that you agree, click on next. Let's skip the Wi-Fi, so thanks to that the setup process will be much faster. I don't want to copy any of my data. Next. And we can also close the Odin app. We won't be needing it anymore. Click on more, and accept. I'll skip the screen lock also. Click on next. I'll skip the Samsung account. Click on finish. And if you want to check your version, software version, for example, if you are flashing a newer one, you can do it in About Phone. Go to Settings, scroll all the way, About Phone, Software Information, and you'll be able to verify it right in here. In my case, there is no difference because I was flashing the same version once again. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.